So yesterday was the marriage ceremony of my godmother's sister. This beautiful woman you're seeing here that is sitting down, she's my godmother. The one greeting her is my godmother. I sabi speak English, oh. And we can't go grace the occasion because he has special to us. This my godmother where stands where they greet me. She's too special to me. She came back from Canada, and his sister come to marriage for Oyi Grand Event Center for Jarohe. We can't go grace the occasion. And my family people be that they were there to represent because she's too good to me and my family. I want to say congratulations to the bride and the groom. Your marriage is blessed in Jesus' name. If you didn't listen to me, you never chop party rice today, don't worry. I have enough party rice for you guys. So as the event come dey climax, e come dey go up, na there we can't go dey spray money. Okay, let me take you how we take waka for the event. Oh yeah, let's go there.
Uponi mayena ofia mase no gbera tayiye kebe no roda o. Uponi mayena ofia mase no gbera tayiye kebe no roda o. Uponi mayena ogo corona abu no maboyan ya ni mame o eya gamuso magibu Mari Pomi, Malo Devede no Denesake o, Eni Jesu. Ewo bini lele kia o emini ya uve, Mary Kofa. Ewa tani lele mobo emini ya uve, Eyi ekpe miana o. Uponi mayena, ekumele le mata lo de. Tayi ekebe no roda o. Uponi mayena, ekimale le mata lo de o. Kebe no roda o. Uponi mayena o, ekimalele mata lo de o. Tayiye kebe no roda o. Evanda nakana orekbe. Evanda nakana o, oropo na ye yowa o. Ugbenso, overo pianori o ma yowa. Ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe na gbada o Yena, I meet up, Pony Mayena, Akimale, Bobby Mopo, Baba. Taye Keva no Roda, Pony Mayena, Akimale, one of Mayase. Taye Keva no Roda, send destiny.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh ọgọgọrọ nọ tọga fume gbebe na ga pese o ugbo na yena igwa ọlọgọma o emigi lọgẹ agalo obenye gị gbame o ugbo na yena oda o merie oda o nọ na na mi pin awe oda o nọ n'ime oge o megi ugi yeke abwa oisata enege rioki agaye o
So
yes ugbo na yena tonya mame se no pera
Tayi yeke ba no rota o
ugbo na yena osanya